2025 Mercedes-Benz GLB. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It delivers power and performance along with tons of features such as automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.